Introducing the all-new Santa Fe. Hyundai Motor Company has taken a bold and unconventional approach to design, creating an SUV that seamlessly blends the demands of city life with the spirit of outdoor adventures. With its robust yet delicately detailed exterior design, the all-new Santa Fe commands attention. The boxy shape and long wheelbase give it a powerful presence on the road, while the wide tailgate area and H-shaped headlamps create a sense of grandeur. Step inside, and you'll discover a spacious and versatile interior that adapts to your every need. The extended tailgate provides a terrace-like space, perfect for enjoying the outdoors. And with fully foldable second and third row seats, the Santa Fe offers class-leading interior space for all your adventures. The interior of the all-new Santa Fe is a refined sanctuary. A panoramic curved display connects the digital cluster and infotainment system, providing both luxury and enhanced visibility. Dual wireless charging keeps you connected on the go. Hyundai has incorporated sustainable materials, such as recycled plastic and eco-friendly leatherette, into the Santa Fe's design. The result is a sophisticated interior that combines comfort and style. From the brightly colored seats to the soft-touch wood-patterned garnish, every detail has been carefully crafted. Get ready for the world premiere of the all-new Santa Fe in August, exclusively on Hyundai's YouTube channel. Experience the perfect blend of urban sophistication and outdoor adventure with the Hyundai Santa Fe.